Listen, guys, air fried chicken is my new best friend. I swear, once you start eating air fried chicken, there's no going back. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Oh my god, air fried chicken all day, every day. I hope you guys are doing okay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're a channel subscriber, thank you so much. So today I'm going to show you the easiest and the simplest way to make air fried chicken that is crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, very sweet, juicy, and you're going to love it. This is what I'm going to use. Spices for me, I use chicken flavor sauce and paprika, black pepper, soy sauce, a lemon, ginger, turmeric, and garlic. Yeah. Also salt and cooking oil. That's all. First things first, wash your chicken very well, like 2 times. Make sure it's clean. Once you're done, add in your spices, the soy sauce, ginger, garlic, grate your ginger, garlic, add it to the chicken. You can also and cooking oil, salt, like all that, add it to your chicken. After adding everything plus the cooking oil, and squeeze your lemon to get that juicy part of the lemon. Yeah. After seasoning your chicken, mix them well to make sure the spice gets into each and every piece and it's well seasoned. After it's well seasoned, you've mixed them well, let it marinate for about 30 to 40 minutes. Yeah, let it just rest and marinate for like 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Yeah. I guess you can see the difference after marinating. So after that, it's time to put them in an air fryer. Just arrange them the way you want, and yeah. Once you're done, you turn on the air fryer, set your timer time to be 30 minutes and at 180 degrees. After 15 minutes, you have to check on the chicken and turn the other side so that all the sides can get well cooked or fried. And after 30 minutes, your chicken is ready. Very sweet, juicy, crispy. Oh my god, the best chicken ever. So guys, that's it for today's video. After just 30 minutes, you get to have your chicken. Very tasty, very juicy. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple. Let me know if you're going to try it and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing content. Like this video, share with your friends and families, and comment down below, would you try it? Thank you. Bye bye till next time.